हम लोग अभी क्रोमा में एंटर किया है और हम लोग iPhone 16 देखने जा रहे हैं। सो इस डे की लॉन्च किया है। That's the iPhone 16 जो आप देख रहे हैं। You are looking at iPhone 16 and
this is just 16. That is 16 plus. And there is
So you have 16 and 16 plus. This is iPhone 15. So we are interested in iPhone 16. So this launch today. We need someone to explain to us what it's all about. So who is over here?
Sakha.
Sakha.
S-A-K-H-A.
Hi. We are interested in having some idea about the features of iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus. So can you explain it to us?
Apart from iPhone 15 and 16, the major difference would be in capture button.
15 and 16, huh?
Yes, which Apple has given this year, and the major difference will be in the animation which they have provided. And then they have made the camera diagonally. After that, they have added one feature called Fusion Camera. Let's say if you're recording like you're capturing photos or you're recording videos, in those videos you'll get additional feature of Fusion. That's it. And apart from software updates, they have added new processor as well, which is called A18 Pro in Pro and Pro Max. And if you'll wish to take iPhone 16 or 16 Plus, it has the A18 Bionic, which is again a newer processor.
So which is more compatible with the MacBook Pro?
For MacBook Pro, you can go with like if it is basically dependent on your usage. If let's say you're gonna use it for specifically for video making, like vlogging and all, then you can go for Pro or Pro Max models, which is a triple camera module. It has a LiDAR scanner in it. So let's say if you're capturing low light photos or if you're recording videos or vlogs in, let's say, darker area, you'll get a better quality.
Okay, so you're saying a better, in a darker area, this will give us more light, right? More clarity.
Clarity. Then you'll get a better picture quality or video stabilization even in low light area as well, with Pro and Pro Max models.
Okay, what about water? Does it?
You can use all phones with water. So all iPhone, like let's say,
so I'm wondering whether that is available even in iPhone 16.
Yes.
This should be much more advanced.
Yes.
Right.
So even let's say if you're wishing to take iPhone 14, 13, or let's say 15 or 16.
Okay.
All comes with water resistant levels. If let's say you're using it for let's say swimming, or you're using it in swimming pool or something, and you're using it in rain as well, you can do it.
So all what comes is the life of the battery?
So 16 comes with 20 hours of battery life, same as 16 Plus comes with 27 hours of battery life. Pro comes with 23 hours of battery life if I'm not wrong, and Pro Max comes with 1 hour of additional, which is 29 hours of battery life.
Okay.
Yes. Earlier the 15 Pro Max, it was coming with 28 hours of battery life. So they have upgraded 1 hour of battery life in Pro Max.
Okay. So what would you advise people who are going in for an iPhone 16?
So
why
as I can see, you're recording a video, so you're going to use it for let's say vlogging or sort of video making and all. I'll definitely suggest to go for Pro or Pro Max only.
Pro or Pro Max? Yes. Okay. The range, what is the
so
price?
It is starting from 145. You can have a look at it.
Yeah.
You'll get a bit nice.
So this is how much?
This is starting from 144,900 actually, and if you'll pay through ICICI, Kotak or SBI credit, you'll get additional 4,000 of instant cashback. So effectively it will cut down to 140,900. And if you have any Android or older iPhone which you can trade, let's say if it is coming above 3,000, we have exchange bonuses going on. If phone's valuation is above 3,000, the exchange bonus will be clubbed as a 6,000. So it would be 3 plus 6, 9,000. And if you're exchanging old phone which is worth 10,000, you'll get 8,000 of exchange bonus.
Any phone?
Any Android or iPhone. And if let's say older phone's valuation is 15,000, you get additional 12,000 of exchange bonus from Brahma.
Oh wow!
Yes. So that makes your new iPhone more affordable.
So you're saying it's 1.45?
Yes, absolutely. And with cards it would be 141 through ICICI, Kotak or SBI credit.
Why not HDFC?
Because Apple has not linked these offers with HDFC. That's
Normally it used to be on HDFC.
Yeah, why suddenly?
Because this year only in March they have changed it to ICICI and SBI, and now they have added Kotak. And affordability was discontinued from last month, 25th of August, and they have resumed it from today only, but that is valid for only iPhone 16 series, not for 15, 14 or something.
Okay.
Okay. The difference between this one, and this one.
So the major difference would be in camera module. So as you can see, these have double camera module, these has triple camera module, which makes it more like let's say you can zoom more. Then it has a LiDAR scanner option.
But this has an extra camera.
Yes, and then the body differences. These has a metal finishes, and this is called matte textured glass. Same as this goes with titanium, and this has almost similar matte textured soft glass. And then Type C, USB-C. This has a 2.0, which makes it for faster data transfer, and this is USB 3.0, which is not opened actually, but it makes it a better iPhone compared to 16 or 16 Plus for data transfer speeds and for fast charging as well. And since Apple has announced faster chargings in iPhone 16 series, so you can use it with iPhone ka 20, Apple ka 30 watt ka adapter as well.
So you can use it with your adapter. What all do you get with this phone?
So in box you will get phone along with C2C cable and a SIM tray ejector tool.
Okay. Any warranty or anything on it?
So by default it comes with 1 year of limited warranty, where Apple provides it for all Apple products.
You can't get additional warranty?
You can take Apple Care Plus, which is Apple and protection plan only, which comes in two options. So first one is for 1 year plan, other one is for 2 years plan, which contains unlimited accidental damages of coverage, which is available at Chroma or any sort of Apple authorized reseller from wherever you will buy the product. And we have EMI options on Apple Care Plus as well. And if you take it from any of Chroma, you will get 5% discount on Apple Care Plus as well for all iPhone 16 series.
Okay, and what is your replacement clause? Do you have any
Which phone you
replacement
want to
clause?
exchange?
I mean, if I go for a Max Pro, of course.
Achha, like you are asking about the Apple Care Plus.
Yeah.
So if let's say your phone's front panel, as in display, or the back panel got broken, in those cases Apple will take 2,500 as a service charge. 2,500 as a service charge under the Apple Care Plus protection plan, and they will repair that part. If it is beyond repair, they will replace that part. Let's say if the display got damaged, the front panel got damaged, in those cases they will take 2,500 as a service charge. If it is repairable, they will repair it. If it is beyond repair, they will simply replace the whole display panel. Same goes with back panel as well. And in case your phone got damaged, and by mistaken, let's say the fully phone got damaged, so Apple will basically replace the whole product under the replacement policy, and at that time you will just need to pay 8,900 as a service charge, which is less than 10% of the MRP.
So you have to pay something.
You will need to pay a service charge. Why you will need to pay the service charge? Because Apple has given you unlimited incidence of accidental damages. So within 1 year or within 2 years, like the protection, if you take the protection plan along with the new phone, if by mistake anything happens to your phone, anything as in accidental damage, liquid damage, accidental damage happens as in by mistake you will drop the phone, or let's say if you have a kid or someone in home who will by mistake, if they will by mistake drop the phone, it will get damaged. In those cases, you will get unlimited incidence of accidental damages, and you can claim it through any Apple authorized service center.
Okay, so
and all over India and all over
the globe. If it's repairable, then 2,500. If it's not repairable, then 8,500.
No, it is dependent on the part. Let's say if display got damaged, 2,500 is a service charge. They will repair if it is repairable for display or back panel, and if it is beyond repair, in those you can have a look at it. In those cases, Apple will simply replace that whole particular part, and if it is, let's say, completely damaged, in those cases they can't rearrange all the parts of iPhone, so they will replace the whole product by taking 8,900 as a service charge. And within 1 year or within 2 years, like wherever the warranty stands with you, you can simply claim unlimited incidence of accidental damages.
So you can claim.
Yes, and it is clearly mentioned on Apple's own website as well.
Okay, it is there all in the thing which you have. Okay, Saka has given us a good site information about why we should go for Apple Max Pro 16 over Apple 15. So we need to decide whether we go for a normal iPhone 16 or a Max Pro, which we were interested in. And what is the normal iPhone 16 costing? A standard iPhone 16?
So it is starting from 79,900, and on that as well we have instant cashback of 5,000 on same cards like ICICI, SBI and Kotak same.
Okay, so 5,000 cashback. if we use any of these.
Any of these cards, yes. And plus you can go for 6 months of no cost EMIs as well if you want.
Okay, 6 months.
And one more thing, we have no cost EMIs options on Apple Care Plus as well, which I mentioned.
Correct. Okay.
And it will be no cost EMI. There is no EMI interest charge.
So not bad, but we have to think there's a lot of difference between the two. So let us think about it and then we will come back and decide what is to be done. Thank you, Saka. Thank you so much.
Where have you been? Did you see, did you hear, did you feel anything? In the world you're in the world you're in. Brutality, make you wonder